Hey you! What are you doing hanging out outside my house? Are you cold? It's kind of chilly out here. Here, I got an extra coat for you. Or maybe you would like some cocoa to warm you up? You look a little sad today too. Do you want to come inside and learn how to make some cobbler? Well, let's go. To make gluten-free cobbler, here's what we'll need. 5 cups of pears, peeled, cored, and small diced. You can also replace this with any other fruit or berry that you'd like to use. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 1/2 cup of dried cranberries. This can be optional. And for the topping, you will need 1 cup of gluten-free flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 cup of almond milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 cup of coconut oil that has been refrigerated. I will be doubling this recipe so that I can make 12 servings, but I will be reading as if I'm making 6. Grease 6 small ramekins or an 8x8 baking dish, then preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If using small ramekins, arrange them on a baking sheet. In a large bowl, combine all ingredients for the filling. And fold well to coat. Spoon into baking dish of choice and allow to rest while making the topping. Make sure to pour any extra liquid in your bowl into your cobbler. To begin making our topping, in a large bowl, mix together olive oil, almond milk, and baking powder. This will act as our egg replacer. In a separate medium-sized bowl, whisk together flour and brown sugar to combine. Add flour mixture to the almond milk mixture and stir gently, bringing together a crumbly dough. Remove coconut oil from the fridge, and break down into small pieces if you can. Using your hands, combine this with your flour mixture, breaking down the coconut oil to about pea-sized crumbles. Top fruit with crumble. Then bake in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. When fruit is bubbly and the topping has browned, your gluten-free cobbler is done. Thanks for watching The Veggie Nerd. If you're new to my videos, my name is Eric. I'm a certified culinarian that makes nerdy vegetarian lifestyle content. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on a future recipe. I've had a lot of fun playing with fall ingredients. Make sure to check out my squash soup recipe. I'll put that up on the screen so you can watch it next. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.